we're going to the beach. We're not going to the beach today. Y'all bitches open and not answer. What's up, ND Squad? Welcome back or welcome to another banger video.
Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe.
And hit that notification bell. So today we're going to the beach. Oh, and let us know if y'all like that intro. I think it's dope. Okay. Yeah. So we're going to the beach because it's hot as heck today. And my hair like this because I want to get in the water. We got the baby a new bathing suit. Shut a new bathing suit. This is his first bathing suit, guys. Ain't it so cute? We got a long sleeve because y'all know sometimes he like to get at them arms, so we thought this is perfect. You got shorts. Yeah. It's so cute.
You okay. Like that, man? You want it?
Okay, y'all, he upset. So we're gonna go ahead and change him and put him on his swimsuit, and then are we doing anything else before we go? Did you want to do anything else or no?
Oh, no, probably not.
So yeah, we'll talk to you guys when we get in the car.
Yeah. Right after I smoke this blunt.
I knew it.
Yeah, look at his swimsuit.
Oh, that baby. Yes. Alright, y'all, so we in the store just getting the baby some flip flops. I'm gonna check now. I'm gonna just grab me some random ones.
Let's
get those. These gonna be too big for you. Hold on, baby. Okay, y'all, so I have to open this freaking pacifier for him because he just go crazy on this type of thing. Gotta let these go on the dark pacifiers too. It's just because I really at night. We really need them at night. Yeah, when I do need to always break them. I gotta see like the please if this chunks not this down to my please, so why not? And then we got the two flip flops and he got some oil or something down there. And now he's looking for a t-shirt.
Yeah, we'll just get these two.
What's that? Gray
and the orange one.
So we're in the fireworks stay in place because DeShawn wants some early fireworks.
So I just want a couple. I ain't gonna get nothing big. I just want some.
Look, y'all. Look at the baby with his flip flops on.
Flip flops.
Sandals, whatever.
Put a last feet.
Need any help with anything?
Nah, I'm just looking right now. If I need help, I'll let you know.
Okay, guys. I know I like Roman candles, so he looking at the Roman candles. We was looking at stuff like this. 60. Hey, babe, come look at this when you get a chance. We got some Roman candles in this stuff.
True. Okay, what's that, 35? Okay.
Ooh, okay, I'll talk to y'all in a second because I can't hold the baby and y'all. Hold on. Okay, y'all. So we at the beach, but first of all, this is one of the beaches we went to. I was looking for another one, but this one was cool too. I would have went in this one if the baby was up. But he's really asleep, as y'all can see. I gotta get him that neck thing. He really slumped, and I know he's not gonna wake up. And if he do, he just gonna be crying and go back to sleep. So, ooh, That's a turtle.
Little turtle.
So we not going to the beach today because the baby's asleep and I don't want to wake him up. He ain't gonna enjoy himself. So we gonna come back. It's supposed to be hot Monday or Tuesday, so that's cool.
Yeah.
So we gonna go around a loop. It's gonna be a loop.
Okay.
We finna go. We in Miller. Well, we in Portage, but we finna go to Miller. It's right down the street and see what food we can get. Probably a Miller pizza or something.
True. I ain't never had it. I don't think I ever had Miller pizzas. Miller pizza.
I know I had when I lived out here when I was way younger.
Yeah, I probably had it, but I probably just don't remember it.
I don't know what we finna get to eat, but I'm gonna show y'all whatever we get to eat because I'm hungry. Look at this traffic. Y'all, I got my hair like this too because it's hot and I ain't feel like having it in a little tiny ponytail with hella gel and stuff. So when I get home, I'm gonna wash it, but I just want to come to the beach like this.
Tesla. So at least they can't say you ain't got no hair.
Yeah, I got a lot of hair. Yes. Tesla and a big old house. Yeah, we got a lot of exciting things coming up. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be back on YouTube. I know before this video, we probably posted like 2 other videos, but those is hella pre-recorded. This is gonna be like probably a week later. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all when I get something to eat, cause I'm hungry as shit. Starving.
What's the name like that?
All them pigeons, they want loose geese, whatever they are. Did y'all see that video before? He'd be like, moose, mice,
yeah,
moose, meese.
He said mouse, meese, house, heist. That's
like,
funny as fuck.
Yeah, cause he like no, mouse is mice,
right,
plural. He like house, heist. But yeah.
House, heist. That nigga's funny as hell. That's that to the max.
Okay, we're gonna get to this food place
sooner or later once this traffic get going.
Yes, cause it was just a train, so.
Yeah. And then they got this.
All that light, yes, and everybody they can't go when they had a flashing light.
Right.
I'm like, just pick somebody to freaking go and go.
Right, like they don't know what a stop sign is.
Right. But yeah, we 5 minutes away, so we'll update y'all when we get there.
True.
Miller pizza. Y'all bitches open and not answering.
Right.
She reading the sign. Oh, it's hella people in there. Fuck that.
It's just hella people in there?
Yeah, we're gonna be waiting a while. Just go down.
Oh.
I'll go see what other food places down here. Subway, McDonald's, KFC, Camp House Grill. That artwork, y'all. Gary/Miller is good with some good art. Killing area. I used to always want to live in Miller.
Yeah.
When I got older, because I like how it's like a little city, a little town, little stores and stuff. Even though it's not
like
that
the
much.
downtown.
Yeah, I like it. I love how it looks. And then I like the houses on the beach. We got Taco Bell because they didn't have barbecue wings at the fucking KFC that was right in the same spot. So we're going to go to another KFC, but we just got 2 beefy grillers, beefy nacho grillers. What the? They put sour cream in here?
That's fucking weird.
Right. They don't know what they was making. That's why. chilling.
Yep, we up. Now we went to sleep. Kind of dark. Fireworks popping.
Yeah. Oh my God, what is that? Oh, I thought that was a firework. DeShawn finna pop a little firework. Oh, I'm steering the video. She happy as hell.
I'm an OG, son. I can stand right there all day. Right, but
Hey.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ooh.
I said I'm right there, son.
I don't want to hit it.
DeShawn ready to run.
Oh, shit. Oh, I'm in the yard. I want to try the other one.
Almost still right here. Whoever run a gate.
I'm about to stand right there.
Record the baby. Look at the baby. He's drinking a low rate. Look.
Get a little one. Oh, that one ain't that bad.
Yeah, I like that though. I like how that sound at the end. What the? You like that, baby? You gonna like the 4th of July this year.
Shut up.
Guys, I got my new lipstick on. Look.
Yeah, she is crazy.
It's so cute. Your mama. She coming.
Yeah, I'm ready to go in. What the? That's it. Okay, I look crazy, but we admire. He wanted to come get some snacks, gay boy. That's not the gay boy, that's the bit lip boy. Baby chilling with his wallet. Huh? Honey kissed him, he still had this lipstick on his forehead.
It's still on now.
Nah, it's kind of gone.
Hush, baby.
Baby crazy.
It's still on my damn cheeks.
Oh yeah, let me see. I see that bright as day.
Some little ugly, crusty lips. Cornbread? Does she got cornbread?
I don't think so. Okay guys, let's get the baby some snacks. Some baby food. Starburst?
Yes.
What the?
Like, what the fuck?
Wow.
I ain't never seen
Have y'all ate these before? Blue shells. These two good as hell.
I can't remember that one. It's actually cheaper than I saw earlier for us. I got him this. Huh?
They said extra toasty. I said extra toasty.
And then go back to
Quit licking that, son. Quit licking that.
found the extra cheesy for his mom. Yeah. Look, baby, this gonna be on your neck when you fall asleep.
the ones, look. Cheddar cheese and
Parmesan, okay. Ooh, you gonna like that. Yo, this cran apple. I tried the one De'Ara drink. She drank the cran tropical, I believe. That's alright, but this is the best. Delicious. My grandma drank them too. I'm sorry, y'all. We're done shopping.
put some air in, huh?
You wanna
about to spray the tires. If you don't get in the car.
So you do everything. Sounds